What is up, all my investors? It is Shaddai. I'm back again with another HINANCE video to break down the complex financial world that gives me a headache sometimes. Usa, I'm here to break it down for regular people like me and you so we can get to the money just a little bit more smoothly. Today we're talking about whether if Nokia is the next millionaire maker stock. Make sure you pay attention to hear all the details. You don't want to miss any part of the video, so make sure you watch all the way to the end. All right, we'll get into all those great details. I just want to check in with you first. How you doing? How you feeling? How's your portfolio treating you? Is it underperforming? Is it overperforming? Share some stocks below that maybe people should be watching. Y'all know I love to build community. That's why we got the Discord chat. Shout out to all my future millionaires. Shout out future millionaires, if you're watching this right now, put an F in the comments or put a money sign in the comments. I appreciate all y'all. But if this is your first time watching or your last, don't forget to hit the thumbs up on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Say what's up in the comments. Check out the merch in the description box below. Do any of the above, and you're gonna get me smiling more. Duh, you need that. But let's get right into it. Y'all know I'm the Nokia hype guy, and I'm gonna give y'all the Nokia news, but I'm gonna also keep it 100 with Nokia. And I recently read a Motley Fool article asking the question whether Nokia is the next millionaire maker stock, and it's a little far-fetched right now. Is there potential? Yes. Do a lot of things have to happen? Yes. We'll get into the historical data in just a little bit. But as far as their June 29th, a very important date for y'all. I just want to keep reminding all my Nokia holders, very important date. They're expected to raise the guidance for 2021. And I think that this is one of those cases. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own due diligence. This is one of those cases where you buy the news. How is it? You buy the stock and sell the news? Y'all know what I mean. Buy the hype, sell the news. Somebody's saying in the comments. I can't think of it off my head right now. But anyways, you want to buy into this at the raising guidance, because if they come up with this crazy number for raising guidance, that's going to drive the price up maybe for a short period of time. So pay attention. It might be a good time to take some profits, y'all. Like I said, this year was supposed to be a grim year, and it's been looking pretty good. I'm a little skeptical. As a Nokia hype guy, I'm going to keep it 100 with y'all. So if you get a good opportunity to take some profits, shape some profits, do so. You won't regret it. You can always get back in down the road. Just make sure it's after 30 days. You need 31 days to avoid the wash sale rule. Now, let's talk about some historical data we got here. So, their peak years of Nokia, because we got to figure out what's the ceiling here. The peak years of Nokia were 2000 and 2007. And let me remind everybody that Nokia was the iPhone back in the day. There was no iPhone. It was Nokia. Everybody had Nokia phone. Whether it was a flip, whether it was just a one screen. I don't even think they did the flip. Maybe they did the flip. I don't know. But Nokia ran the consumers of the world at one point. But their best years was 2000, around the dot-com bubble. They were trading at $62 a share. The next best year was 2007. They were trading at $42 a share. At that time, they were enormous. Their market cap was enormous compared to what they're at now. And what's kind of still not putting them there is that their equipment is 6 to 12 months behind Ericsson. And Ericsson is one of the leaders, one of its competitors. And to me, what really throws me off is that Verizon was one of top 3 customer for Nokia. And they recently just did a deal, billion-dollar deal, trillion-dollar deal with Ericsson, billion, trillion, whatever, I don't know how many. They did a deal with Ericsson. So that tells me that Nokia is going to have maybe not so great of a third, fourth quarter. Because you go and lose that. Unless, listen, if they just get a bunch of crazy deals at this point, It will change that, but they just lost the biggest customer. How are they going to replace that? That's what I'm looking to hear. June 29th. I know somebody's going to ask the question, how do you plan to replace your top 3 customers? So they got a lot of work to do right now. I didn't expect that Verizon deal to go through, but it did, and we're at where we're at, and that's why I'm recommending some of y'all to take profits if you feel need to. Am I going to take profits? I don't know. If it shoots up on June 29th based off the guidance of 2021, I will. If it shoots up, I will. It'd have to get over like 650 for me to be interested in shaving something off the top. But with the perspective of knowing what the share was what the ceiling is, or what the shares were trading at this highest peak, because that's the projection right now for Nokia. It's going towards a new high peak. At 62, Nokia, at $62 a share, Nokia would have to have a market cap of $350 billion. At $42 a share, I don't have that number, but so at $62 a share, they need a market cap of $350 billion. Holy crap! They're currently at a $32 billion market cap. So they need some type of. They either need a lot of contracts or a big contract, which is possibility because Huawei is getting banned from a lot of countries. So this is their window to show out. They need to get contracts this year and next. No doubt about it. And the year after. And they need to provide a better customer service. If they do all that, and they get a hedge fund that come in behind it because they have a lot of shares available, they get a hedge fund, they can show that the leadership can get the job done, this will be the next millionaire maker stock. Of course, it's a risk, y'all. It's a risk. I believe in Nokia, but there's also a risk in believing in Nokia. It could go south if they don't do it. If the leadership doesn't handle, it can go south. I think that they got a good grip on it. I think that they will find a way somehow, some shape or form to replace Verizon. There's other companies out there that are going to need these type of services as we move in, because we're just at the tip of the iceberg for this whole 5G life, y'all. We are at the tip of the ice. We ain't even enjoying the fall yet. This is all infrastructure right now, what we're dealing with. So yes, they have the ability to be the next millionaire maker stock. Will it or will it not be? Just keep watching my videos, and I guess y'all gonna see if I become a millionaire in 5 years. Then y'all know that y'all should have listened to me. I appreciate y'all for watching. I'm gonna end this video off by saying, if you're interested in joining the Future Millionaires Discord chat, shoot me a DM above. I will get you all the details needed. Shout out to all my Nokia fam. Always showing love in the videos. Always showing appreciation. Y'all don't know how much that means to me. I'm gonna keep doubling down. Make sure y'all do your due diligence. I'm not a financial advisor. I'll say it again. I'll check y'all out tomorrow. Woo!